The RETRUE 2430 Airbags Kit is specifically designed for compatibility with a wide range of Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra models, offering a tailored fit for these popular vehicles. This air ride suspension kit significantly enhances load leveling capabilities, supporting up to 5,000 pounds, which is ideal for heavy-duty towing and hauling tasks. Installing the RETRUE kit is a breeze thanks to pre-drilled holes and a no-drill required design, making it accessible for both seasoned mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. One of the standout features is the customizable air pressure, allowing adjustments from 5 to 100 pounds per square inch to ensure optimal ride comfort and stability. RETRUE places a strong emphasis on customer satisfaction, providing reliable support to address any questions or concerns about the product. Overall, the RETRUE 2430 Airbags Kit is a robust and versatile solution for those seeking enhanced suspension performance and vehicle stability in their Chevy or GMC truck.